friends, my name is Mai. Today we are making delicious Asian pulled pork sandwiches in the Vietnamese banh mi style. Using our wonderful instant pot pressure cooker. For our sandwiches, we are using pork shoulder, banh mi bread. For the marinade, you will need water, gochujang paste, hoisin sauce, red miso paste, rice vinegar, sliced ginger, and sliced cilantro. Begin by making the marinade for the pork. In a large bowl or cup, combine water, Korean hot pepper paste, hoisin sauce, red miso paste, and rice vinegar. This is a beautiful cut of pork. Slice the pork shoulder into large chunks and place in a large saucepan. Pour the marinade over the pork and thoroughly rub in. Marinate the pork for 1 hour or longer. Next, the sandwich spread. In a bowl, combine sour cream, and Korean hot pepper paste. Mix until smooth and creamy. Now, the softened onions. Slice 1 or 2 onions as you see here. Place the sliced onions in a bowl, sprinkle on some salt, and let sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, thoroughly rinse the onions with water and squeeze out the liquid. Place the softened onions in a clean bowl. After marinating the pork, pressure cook on high for 25 to 30 minutes. Add the sliced ginger and cilantro. Once the pork has finished cooking, place in a large bowl. And pour the marinade and pork juice through a fat separator. Pour the liquid back into the instant pot. Using the saute more function, bring the liquid to boil. Stir in some hoisin sauce and Korean hot pepper paste into the reduced liquid. While the liquid reducing, shred the pork. Add the shredded pork and continue cooking 5 minutes. Oh yeah! Toast that delicious banh mi bread. Add some delicious gochujang sour cream shredded pork with the delicious Asian flavor. Softened onions, pickled carrot and daikon radish, cilantro and sliced jalapeno. And here you have a delicious Asian pulled pork sandwich in the Vietnamese banh mi style. Now that's a good banh mi. Delicious. You gotta try it. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell